Hi y'all, just a quick update real quick. I know it's been a couple weeks since we've been able to get our videos. Normally we're every single Sunday at 4 p.m. You can always count on that from us. However, I did have some issues with my health and my cancer stuff I'm dealing with, and I took a fall down the stairs. I'm okay. However, that put me down for a little while, and we're dealing with the doctors now after some ER visits and some x-rays, and I've got to do an MRI and a bone scan. They've found a spot on my hip that's been causing me the problems all summer, and they want to make sure that the cancer is not spread to the bone. So we'll keep you updated on that when we find out. Hopefully we'll know something here within the next week or two, and we'll definitely update you all, but we wanted to give you a quick update. Anyway, I want to apologize for that, and but this week's episode, actually taking you back June of 2022. We started to build a teardrop trailer for my daughter. If you don't know what a teardrop trailer is, it's a small camping trailer designed to be lightweight, very minimalistic. It has a galley and kitchen in the back, and then everything you need up front, and then it's got full solar, fan, everything, 2 doors on each side. We actually built large doors that were 36 inches wide, windows, everything in it. Anyway, designed to be lightweight, be able to pull with even a car. So ours came in at right around 800 pounds. And like I said, my daughter wanted me to build one for her, and that was a project we took on. I needed something to keep busy, and so I decided to go ahead and do it. So that's what this episode is. This is the teardrop trailer from start to finish, over a period of about, it took me about 3 months to build it, start to finish. So hope you enjoy. I know this video's from last summer. However, we've been so busy with the boat and so busy with everything else going on. This is something that we just had not had the time to edit, but we've had a lot of requests for people that wanted to see that final video and wanted to get it up on our YouTube channel. So anyway, I hope you enjoy, and thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, thumbs up, and we appreciate it, and we'll see you again next week as well. Thanks y'all for watching, and thank you for subscribing. You can find us at www.svkaya.com as well as here on YouTube. Also, if you want to be a patron and show your support that way, that is at patreon.com/svkaya. Again, thank you. Couldn't do this without all your support, and hope to see you out there on the water.